the ribosome. But okay, before we meet our hero, let me ask you something. Think about the last time you were running around the playground and maybe you took a little tumble and scraped your knee. Ouch, right? Or think about how you've gotten so much taller and stronger since last year, building up all those big muscles. How exactly does your body do that? How does it just magically patch up a scrape with brand new skin or build new muscle to make you faster? It kind of seems like magic, doesn't it? Well, it's not. It's actually the result of millions of tiny, invisible workers inside of you. Section 1. Meet the tiny builders. Okay, let's dive into this. Imagine your body is entirely made of trillions of microscopic building blocks called cells. And every single cell is literally like a giant, bustling factory packed with tiny builders working around the clock to help you grow. Now, to understand our builders, we need to know exactly what they're making. And what they're making are proteins. You've probably heard of protein in healthy foods, right? Like eggs or beans. But inside your body, proteins are your ultimate construction materials. Your hair, that's protein. Your muscles, protein. The little tools digesting your lunch right now, yep, also proteins. To heal up those playground scrapes, your body needs a constant, fresh supply of them. And that brings us to our hero. Meet the ribosome. It is a tiny, incredibly powerful molecular machine hanging out right there inside your cells. Think of it as the ultimate protein builder. Its literal, full-time job, its entire purpose, is to snap raw materials together to build every single protein you will ever need to run, jump, and play. Let's move to section 2, two parts of a machine, and see how this builds. If we take our imaginary superpowered microscope and zoom in really close on a single ribosome, it doesn't look like a tiny person wearing a hard hat. Actually, it looks more like an incredibly cool 3D puzzle made of folded ribbons. And our amazing machine is actually made of two totally separate pieces. We call them subunits, but they aren't the exact same size. There's a large subunit and a small subunit, and they honestly just float around separately inside the cell until it's time to go to work. When a protein needs to be built, these two unequal pieces rush together and snap right into place, locking together perfectly like a super high-tech toy. So why two different parts? Well, they each have a really special job to do. The small subunit acts like the reader. It carefully scans and checks the instruction manual so the machine knows exactly what to do. The large subunit, on the other hand, acts like a master chef in a kitchen. It's the part that actually links the ingredients together to build the final product. They are literally the absolute dream team. Moving right along to section 3, reading the secret recipe. Now,
Okay, we will continue that in part 2. Thanks for watching.
This is Minute Biology. Hit that subscribe button.